Finding the courage to change. It's not personal. When a relationship ends, it can be a huge blow. If I have built my identity around that relationship, it's devastating. Did I do something wrong? Does this mean I'm not good enough? How can I learn to not take the end of a relationship personally? When I had my martial arts school, it used to break my heart when really talented, bright students would just lose interest and leave. I slowly learned that A, they got exactly what they needed at the time, and B, they're not mine to keep. When I approach the relationship as a temporary one from the very beginning, I don't get twisted up in knots when they are ready to move on. I've learned to enjoy watching them grow without needing them to stay. I'm just a stop on the journey, not a destination. Parents would heave a sigh of relief when I was understanding, encouraging, and positive about their decision to move on. We were all able to part company with good feelings. I saw a former student at the Aikido seminar that I was at last weekend. He's training now with my teacher and is an amazing martial artist at age 15. As I was leaving on Sunday, he stopped me and gave me a long hug. It melted my heart. I've learned to hold those former others, students, clients, etc., up to the light of positivity. They are so grateful. It's not personal. It's time to move on in the cosmic dance of life.